Okay, we're going to go ahead and complete a measure here. So I'm going to go ahead and select job well done, bring me into the system, open up today's jobs. If I wanted to, I could filter for measurements by going to the filter bar and typing in measure. It will show up all my measurements I have for today. You don't have to do that. You can easily just scroll through your today's jobs and find your measure. We'll go ahead and click Pete Sandbeck job here, the measure. Again, if you look at this, you're seeing the job screen, the job name, job type, the due date, the activity time, 9:30 to 10:30, customer address, customer phone, what the dealer or store retailer is, measure name, CSR, the basic job information on here. This is a read-only screen, so the only items that you can touch would be the address, as you see it highlighted in blue there. If you select address, it'll bring up your map function and let you navigate to the customer's home, or select the customer phone as I did there. It brings up the opportunity to call the customer. I'm going to go ahead and select the Picks tab down at the bottom. This will bring me into the measurement information. Simple items on here, basically capturing before photo, drawing, measure, checklist. So we'll go ahead and take that before photo. Selecting the Choose File button. This will allow you to take a photo or grab from a library. We'll go ahead and take this photo. It'll automatically upload into the system for you here. Again, you can select that for the drawing and measure checklist as well. These items can also be added in as PDFs if you need to put these in following the measure at the customer home. An area for special instructions. These instructions will be left for the installer to go forward throughout the job. So simple things such as customer providing removal of countertops. Maybe the customer is also providing the sink. Whatever you need to tell the installer, watch out for the dog. Maybe this customer has a outrageous dog. Watch out for him. Notice something under the island, you need to have additional buildup. So we're going to write this note in here and then show you where you can add another photo to show the installer where this additional buildup is needed. So down below we have two open fields for miscellaneous photos. So we'll go ahead and title this one Island. We'll select the Choose File. And then again, this is where you would select Take Photo and take a picture of that island. Maybe you wanted to show them what the dog looked like. The other tab down here on the lower right is an ICA tab, internal customer approval. In the measure checklist and the measure user of this, this isn't used. It is more used for installations at this time. So those are your three tabs for measure: jobs, picks, and the ICA. So once you've completed all your information, you go to the upper right, hit complete, and it'll bring you back to your home screen. As you can see, the job that we just did turned black. Black jobs means that it's a complete job and the information you've collected has been sent into your office.